We're leaving in 15 minutes. Hey guys, is that fan back there distracting? I don't normally sit in my bathroom to do my makeup, but I am today. As you can hear, my voice, is this distracting? As you can hear, my, I'm gonna be looking, the mirror is right behind you, so if it feels like I'm looking right behind you, I am. My voice, I don't have everything I need. Please hold. So, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for just jumping right in, but we're kind of in a rush. As you can see by the title of this video, this is a get ready with me, and I've already started getting ready. I'm getting ready for my church's Christmas Eve service. So yeah, I am singing. I'm singing at the Christmas Eve service. I'm using L'Oreal True Match in the color C6 Soft Sable. Yeah, and we have to be there early, obviously, because we are performing or whatever, singing. And I really do wish like COVID wasn't a thing, because it's really like interfering with me having coverage for the kids. Well, that and people having to work. Their dad is at work, so he can't watch them. So yes, I'm just putting a little bit more of this on. I don't really have anything to talk about. I guess I could have saved my Q&A for this video, so I have something to talk about, but I'm also in a rush, so I don't want to get too deep into a conversation where I can't continue to do what I'm doing. But I do want to touch on the fact that the kids and I have not really been doing a lot. Like last year, did we do a lot of Christmas activities last year? I feel like we haven't really done a whole lot of Christmas stuff, especially because their school, you know, today was their official last day. They had a few, they had a 3-hour early dismissal, but you know, they've been in school all week, and then they've been in school virtually. So I haven't really had the time to plan anything, because I was like trying to hurry up and like get all the holiday stuff done, and it's just been like so busy. So tomorrow is officially Christmas Eve, and like you're never supposed to do anything Christmas related on Christmas Eve because it's just so crowded. It's so crowded, and with the new variant and everything, like I don't know, like do we really want to be all out in you know, in public? My voice is so scratchy because I have not been drinking enough water today, because that's done. I have not been drinking enough water today. Oh, the powder I'm using, I use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in Dark. And then for my eye area, I use the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in Medium Deep. Just put this like right here, and I just use the same brush. So yeah. Yeah, so I really have not had time to plan anything for them, and I feel so bad, but I don't think they care. Like they don't seem like they're missing out. We did go see the lights, which was Christmassy. We made Christmas cookies. Decorated the tree, of course. Wow, did I put too much of something? Yes. I think because I'm breaking out, like have breakouts that are healing right here, it looks kind of caked up. Can you see me if I, okay. So I'm going to be looking for some stuff for us to do maybe tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Vlogmas has been heavy on the vlog, not so much on the moss part. So yeah, and I don't even know, I think like Christmas Eve we're gonna do you know, our holiday pajamas and probably do another movie night or something like that. And then bake cookies for Santa. And yeah, as you can see, I straightened my hair, so you know, all of you natural girls out there know that took me all day. And now we have, my sister told me like, don't straighten your hair because then you're gonna be rushing. And I was like, I'm gonna straighten it anyway. And she was totally right. Now I'm rushing. But I just didn't know what else to do with it. And I didn't want to do another low bun and use a whole other container of edge control to do a low bun. Like, what am I doing? Finish with this first. So now I'm doing blush. Oh, my eyebrow pencil is by NYX. So that's that. Blush is by Mary Kay in Dark Cherry. This is from when I used to sell Mary Kay a long time ago. Xavier was really small. I was trying to make some extra money. So I was pretty much doing everything to make a little bit of extra money. So I'm just doing a little bit of blush, just a little. You see I'm moving really fast. It says I've only been recording for 8 minutes and I'm pretty much almost done because we have to leave. I just hope my outfit works out because I've tried everything on separately but not all together. So I put the blush on and then I dust it off because I don't want like too much blush, you know? I want it to look more natural, like a natural flush, you know what I mean? Okay, wow, I may not even have to like edit this at all. This may be able to be like a one take situation. Okay, so now I never do a whole lot with my eyes, but I think because...
Mommy, can you help me?
Help you with what, Ethan? Just when I think, it's like just when I think I'm making good time, this is what happens. What is that you need?
I put my shoe back from my table back.
Okay, what was I doing? Oh, I was saying, normally I don't do much for my eyes, but because it's like nighttime and it's a candlelight service, I'm just gonna put some heavier eyeshadow on. And when I say heavier, I mean like not even a lot, but like heavy for me. And it's just this, I don't even know what color this is. This is so old. This dark color. So I'm gonna put this on first and just quickly put it in my crease and a little bit on like this outer part of my lid, so like a little bit right here and then into my crease. Wow. And I'm not supposed to be like clearing my throat like that either. I know it's gonna be a lot of traffic, so I'm really trying to leave like early. Okay, so I did that, and now I'm going to take this like light brown color and use it to kind of diffuse the outer edges. I know you can't really see anything, but really this is not really about, actually I don't know what this is about. I think this is about the fact that I really don't have time to, like when I told myself that I was going to do Vlogmas, I knew that I did not really have a solid plan, especially for the end of Vlogmas. I had a few things planned for the beginning of Vlogmas, but not for the end. Honestly, I didn't think I would make it this far. If I'm honest, I did not think.
I just went back and just scraped my hand.
You did?
Yeah, I just went back and
Whoa. I did not think I would make it this far.
And he got me, and I just cracked my head.
You cracked your head?
Yeah, and there's Sasha right there. Hi, Sasha, but there's this my body.
Okay, you want to go sit on mommy's bed? Go sit on mommy's bed, Ethan. I didn't think I was going to make it this far into Vlogmas, so I did not plan for this far, but I honestly cannot believe that I've made it this far uploading every day. I know my upload times have been all over the place, but really, I've just been like, just living my normal life and documenting it. And my normal life just does not include a bunch of...
He's dying.
My normal life just does not include all of these extravagant Christmas activities. So... yeah, I am obviously putting on mascara, no eyeliner, just mascara. I don't know why. I think I don't even know when I started doing that, but it's been working for me. Sometimes I feel like it looks a little incomplete, but it's okay. All right, so when I'm pretty much done. So this is how it's gonna look, but when I'm done, I always wipe the makeup all off of my beauty mark with a Q-tip. And I'm gonna be spraying this Morphe continuous setting spray. Ooh, my hair is straight, so. You almost did something, like. Okay. Okay, so and my phone is about to die, of course. All right, so I need to figure out how I'm gonna pin my hair. I don't want it to be down. I want it to be like up. So I think we want to do like some. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna recurl some of these face framing pieces. There we go. And this one. Okay. how it looks in the back. Don't know if you can actually see it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get dressed. Okay, I don't know if you can see, this is a dress I'm wearing. I don't know if you can see me or hear me, but this is what I look like. I don't have shoes on yet, but I'm thinking about wearing these shoes or the, whoa, okay, oh. Or these, which are very similar but sparkly. I'm going with the sparkly shoes because they're more comfortable. So yeah, like, oh, this bra strap, I'm gonna have to be cognizant of that. Okay, so this is what I look like. I should have listened to my sister and not straightened my hair, because that is literally what took all of my time. But that is what the hair looks like. And I'm gonna stop touching it to not disturb the curls. So yep, this is the look. My messy bathroom. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.